Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Education with Sri Vidya. In this video, we are going to discuss about grade 9 exercise 2.1 of polynomials and factorization topic. Exercise 2.1, the first problem, find the degree of each of the polynomials given below. So the first one given as x to the power of 5 minus x to the power of 4 plus 3. So find the degree of each of the polynomials. Degree in the sense this is a degree and this is a degree. So why can't 4? Why can't 4? So we need to take the highest degree here. In this we need to take the highest degree for each and every problem. So here what is the highest degree? 5. So answer is 5. Now coming to the second problem, x to square plus x minus 5. So here in this, which is the highest degree? Here if nothing is there, then to the power of 1. So here 2 is the highest degree. So the answer is 2. Now coming to the third one, 5. So here what is given? No degree, no variable, nothing. So there is, the answer is 0. So constant. So now 3x to the power of 6 plus 6y cube minus 7. Here the fourth sum is 3x to the power of 6 plus 6y cube minus 7. In this, which is the highest degree? 6. Now coming to the fifth one, 4 minus y square. So in this variable, which is the highest one? Degree 2. So the answer is 2. Now coming to the sixth one, 5t minus root 3. So in this, which is the highest degree? So there is no degree mentioned over here. So we need to put it as 1. So here 1 is the degree. So which of the following expressions are polynomials in one variable and which are not? Give reasons for your answer. So you need to check in these expressions whether the polynomials are with one variable or not. So in the first equation, x is a variable and again x is a variable. So this expression contains only one variable. So hence it is true. So it is true, it satisfies. Yes, it is true, it satisfies. Now in the second equation, x is only one variable, so which it is satisfying. Yes, it is obviously correct. And now here in the third expression, p and as well as q. So these are the two variables given. So as per the given statement, it is not satisfying. It is not satisfying the given condition. Now coming to the fourth one. So you can ask me that this and this are single variable, that is only one variable, but why it will not, I can say you that this is not satisfying. Why? Because the variable should not be in the denominator. So the variable should not be in the denominator. So the variable, if the variable is in the numerator, then it will be satisfying. If the variable is in the denominator particularly, it will not satisfy the given condition. Now coming to the fifth one, 5 root x plus x root 5. So the variable which is over here, so and it is to the power of 1 by 2. It is to the power of 1 by 2. If we place the value of 2 over here, it will not satisfy the condition. It will not satisfy the condition of a previous one. It will get the real value numbers. So hence we are not getting the integer values like natural numbers and integer numbers. Will be not getting if we mix up with the constant values. Hence it will not satisfy. So Next one is obviously x and y are two variables, it will not satisfy. So hence it will not satisfy, this equation will not satisfy, this equation will not satisfy, this will not satisfy, and this is 2, this will not satisfy, these two will satisfy. So write the coefficient of x cube in each of the following. So there are problems given, write the coefficient of x cube. So here this is the variable, what is there the left side. So here is there any value given on the left side, so we must assume as 1. So the answer is 1. Now what is over here? Here the minus sign, here no value is given, so we must assume as 1. So minus 1. So here minus symbol is there, 1. And what is there on the LHS of left hand side of x cube? Root 2. So the answer is root 2. Right children? X cube. So what is there beside on the left hand side of x cube? 2. Now x cube left side, pi by 2. Now x cube left side again, minus 2 by 3. Now here is there x cube here? No. So only x square term and constant term is given. As there is x cube term is not given, so the answer will be 0. And here only the constant term is given, so the answer will be 0. So classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomials. So what is a linear polynomial? Linear. Linear means which contains of single term, single polynomial. Quadratic means which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Right children? Next cubic means as already I said, which will be in the form of x cube. Cube, that is in the form of cubic. Cubic polynomials, linear and quadratic polynomials. Now let us find out what is linear and what is quadratic and what is cube polynomials. Now this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Hence it is quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. How? This is cube. So cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Now this is in the form of again ax square plus bx plus c. Now quadratic again. Now this is single, x minus 1, so linear. And again this is single, linear polynomial. And this is in the form of ax square. So we can assume that bx plus c is in the form of zeros, and we can write it as a quadratic equation, quadratic polynomial. Now the fifth question, write whether the following statements are true or false, justify your answer. Now the first one, a binomial has two terms. Now the binomial means which has only two terms, hence it is satisfied. The answer is true. The answer is true. Now second one, every polynomial is a binomial. So every polynomial is a binomial. So it is not correct. Why? Because the polynomial contains more than two terms, but the binomial has only two terms. So hence it is false. Now the third one, a binomial may have degree 3. So it is true. Why? So binomial has suppose this is one term and this is one term, so may contains the power 3. So binomial means we can say that only two terms which may have the power of 3, hence it is true. Now the fourth one, degree of 0 polynomial is 0. 0 of a polynomial is not 0, it will become 1, hence it is false. Now coming to the fifth one, the degree of x square plus 2xy plus y square is 2. Obviously, as we have learned in the first problem. So the degree is 2, hence it is true. Pi r square is a monomial, hence it is a monomial. Pi r square is a monomial, it is a monomial and it is a quadratic expression also, right, quadratic polynomial also, hence it is a true. And now coming to the sixth one, give one example each of a monomial and trinomial of degree 10. So monomial, so here monomial, trinomial. So give one example we need to write of degree 10. So we can write, so as x to the power of 10 or y to the power of 10, and we can add some 4x to the power of 10, any constant value we can add, any variable we can, n number we can write, but to the power of 10 it should be for monomial single term, right. So coming to the trinomial. So trinomial, tri means it should consist of 3 terms in the sense trinomial. So any numbers you can write for the trinomial, any variable you can, either x, y, z or anything you can fit, but this if you add the powers then it should come as 10 to the power of 10. Children, if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.